iPhone 13 Pro Max. Apple's iPhone 13 Pro Max is not only the most recent iPhone model, but also one of the most expensive, but desired mobile devices in the world. The iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max are the 15th generation of the Apple Incorporated iPhones, succeeding the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. The devices were unveiled on September 14, 2021, at Apple Park in Cupertino, California, and were made available for purchase on the 24th of the same month. It's not popular just because it's another Apple model, but because there are a lot of unique features for users. This video gives an in-depth review of the iPhone 13 Pro Max and reasons why it's well worth its cost. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. The motion display has to be the most outstanding enhancement to the iPhone 13 Pro Max's display. This 6.7-inch panel's refresh rate may be dynamically scaled from 10 Hz to 120 Hz, resulting in smoother overall performance and animations. These advantages apply to other tasks, like switching programs or returning to the home screen. The brightness of the iPhone 13 Pro Max's screen is better. It has an average of 837 nits with the adaptive setting turned off and 1038 nits with the adaptive setting turned on. As a result, even in low light conditions, the iPhone 13 Pro Max's display provides excellent clarity. This is unlike the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which has an average brightness of 654 nits even when adaptive lighting was disabled. Even the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has a maximum of 821 nits brightness. The iPhone 13 Pro Max boasts a more powerful camera setup than the standard iPhone 13 model. Compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max's f/1.5 wide-angle camera, the new iPhone has 1.9 MP and an f/1.5 aperture. This allows for a 49% increase in light. With an f/1.8 aperture, the ultra-wide camera can take brighter photos while maintaining its wide field of vision. The iPhone 13 Pro Max's telephoto lens has a 3x optical zoom, which makes zooming in on the iPhone 13 Pro Max easier. In addition to the hardware advancements, there are numerous camera enhancements. For example, the iPhone 13 Pro Max utilizes an ultra-wide camera to snap photographs as close as 2 centimeters away. However, the macro mode can be challenging at times, although Apple is fixing this issue. Another new function found in the iPhone 13 is the Photographic Styles function. It lets you customize the look of your photos by adjusting the tone and warmth of the image. Standard, rich contrast, colorful, warm, and cool are some customizable options available. The iPhone 13 Pro Max has a better camera than most phones to capture high-quality images. The iPhone 13 Pro Max's cinematic video mode makes you feel like a mini Spielberg. However, cinematic mode's maximum resolution for all iPhone models is 1080p. So, you can't use portrait mode with 4K quality. The iPhone 13 Pro Max's video quality is unbeatable, no matter what you're filming. It also offers video editors like the ProRes video format if you need to be more creative. It is possible to record in ProRes up to 30 frames per second in 4K, but only the 256GB and higher models support 4K. The 128GB model is limited to 1080p because these files take up so much storage. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is currently the world's fastest smartphone, thanks to its new A15 Bionic CPU. Overall, the iPhone 13 Pro Max scored 4,549 on Geekbench 5, with a multi-core score of 1,720 and a single-core score of 1,720. The Galaxy S21 Ultra tallied 3,440 and 1,123 points, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has 4,111 and 1,603 points. The iPhone 13 Pro Max performed well in the 3D Mark Wildlife Limitless test. Therefore, you can count on it to deliver an improved visual experience. It has a frame rate of 68.4 frames per second, compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max's 54 frames per second and the Galaxy S21 Ultra's 34 frames per second. The iPhone 13 Pro Max took only 25 seconds to transcode a 4K file to 1080p in the Adobe Premiere Rush app. This indicates that video editing should be rapid on this phone as well. That's only a smidgen faster than the iPhone 12 Pro Max's 28.5 seconds, but far faster than the Samsung's 102 time. The iPhone 13 Pro Max battery lasts an impressive 12 hours and 16 minutes, thanks to improvements in a larger battery. Even while browsing the web on 5G at 150 nits of screen brightness, it still lasts this long. It also uses iOS 15. While not as significant a step forward as iOS 14 was in terms of widgets, there are some clever and enjoyable additions in iOS 15. You can now utilize the SharePlay feature to listen to music or view movies via FaceTime with your friends and family. The new Shared With You feature in the Messages app makes it easier to find shared photographs, articles, and more. iOS 15 includes a revamped weather app and a Maps app that provides more information and clearer road views. A 128GB version of the iPhone 13 Pro Max is currently sold for $1,099. You'll have to shell out an eye-watering $1,599 for the 1TB option, which is over 3 times the cost of the previous 256GB model. Despite the release of iOS 15, developers are continuing to produce high-quality apps for Apple devices. We recommend downloading some of the best iPhone apps when you purchase this mobile. We hope this review was helpful. Have you got an iPhone 13 Pro Max yet? Would you love to get one? Let us know what you think about this device in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell symbol to be the first to see our new videos.